Nowadays, almost everyone loves to watch YouTube videos and listen to various music genres. Mostly, it is done for fun and entertainment. However, listening to YouTube music can actually make you earn real money. Imagine you are making money while listening to your favorite music. It's a win-win situation, right? Listen to one song and earn up to $10. If you can listen to 5 music pieces, then you can make up to $50. You can spend 20 minutes listening to music every day and you can get paid up to $100. This strategy is also 100% free and it is accessible with your smartphone or computer. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, the first website that you can use to earn money while listening is called Current. This site will pay you for playing music. Now, stay tuned on this video because I will tell you how to play a song, what music to play, and various tips on how you can increase your earnings on this platform. Their main website is current.us. You can see on their page the text, "I want to earn a reward while I'm running," or whatever you are doing. You can always play music as a background so you can earn while doing other things. You can access the app on App Store and Google Play. I will show you how to download it real quick. This is their logo, and make sure to download the one with their logo. You won't earn money if you download a different application. Do not worry, you will still earn money even if you listen to music online or offline. This application is really helpful because you do not need to pay anything to begin using and playing music from it. It is absolutely free, so it is really worth it to sign up and use this strategy to earn money. When you listen to music on this app, you will earn points. These points will be exchanged into money. It is really easy to make money from this app. After you download the application, proceed to YouTube Music radio station. Try to go to your account and look for something similar to this. Listen carefully to my instructions so you can effectively earn money online. I will also give you various tips on how you can triple the earnings that you have. On the YouTube Music homepage, you will see that there are a lot of music playlists and artists that you can listen to. You can also try the suggested music. Now, you can use YouTube Music and Current website to generate a lot of profit in a complete autopilot mode. I will give you an example. This is one of the playlists that I have. As you can see, there is a lot of music queued up. I can also add more music into it. Once I finish playing a song, the following song will automatically play too. This will be done until you manually stop it. Now, you will earn money for every song that you listen to. When you hit the rewind button, you can earn money over and over again from the same playlist. I will share with you my secrets. First, make sure to put as many songs as possible to your playlist. This way, you will be able to generate more money. The second secret that I will tell you is to go to the home page and look for the hot list. Click it and wait until you get redirected to a new page with high-quality videos and music. Now, I urge you to play these music videos instead because they will pay you more for listening to this music. Just a reminder, YouTube will not pay you money for listening. Instead, Current will pay you when you sync your music with them. Now you need to synchronize your YouTube Music with this app so you can earn money when playing YouTube Music. As you can see, now this is my third tip to you. You can open multiple tabs and listen to music from all those tabs. In this way, you will earn money again and again. I still have a few tips that can help you earn more money on this app. Currently, I have 3 music players running. Now, I will tell you how exactly you can earn money from these players. To start, go to YouTube and search for music that is more than 1 hour long. Choose something like this one because the longer the music is, the more you can play and the more you will increase the amount of money you can make. Another tip that I can give you is to click the setting button under the video that you are playing. You will see the playback speed. Now, click it and adjust the speed setting by a factor of 2. Initially, the speed would be normal but you can increase it by clicking the factor of 2. This will allow you to play music faster than normal. Since the more music you can listen to, the more money you can make. This move will certainly speed up the process of earning money. Another tip that I can give you is that you can switch up the video quality into 144p. This will be beneficial when there are other people who are also using the Wi-Fi that you have. It will also avoid too much internet consumption, which is good for everyone else. It will allow you to play music in multiple tabs easily. There is also a fantastic Google Chrome extension known as the YouTube Playback Speed Control. You can see it here and you can download it on Google Chrome on your computer or smartphone. This extension is absolutely free, that is why there are hundreds of users who love it. When you have this Google Chrome extension, you can play your music at 3 times faster than its normal speed. When you go back to YouTube, you can see that the maximum speed that you can set is at 2. You can increase the speed by 1.5, 1.50, or 1.75 its initial speed. However, the fastest that you can get is 2. Now, you can play at 3 times its current speed when you have this Google Chrome extension. It is going to be very helpful to have this Google extension. You will make more money with it because you will be able to play music at a faster speed. When you finish one music as fast as you can proceed to play another music as fast as well. Then, the more music you play, the higher your earnings would be. All you need to do is to connect your YouTube Music to the application named Current. Now that we are at the end of the video, I highly advise you to download the application Current on your laptop or phone. If you have a laptop, just download the software. If you prefer to use your phone, as it is more accessible anytime and anywhere, you can download the application through Google Play or Apple App Store. Again, the application is called Current Rewards Offline Music App. What are you waiting for? Start downloading it to earn while listening to your favorite songs. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.